Finding the right racket can instantly sharpen your control, add free power, and protect your arm. In this video to the best tennis rackets, we break down head size, weight, balance, string pattern, and stiffness, so you can match a frame to your swing speed and style. From beginner-friendly tweeners to tour-level control sticks, we highlight trusted models, who they're for, and how they play. Expect clear pros and cons, demo tips, and string suggestions to help you choose with confidence. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Wilson Federer Adult Recreational Tennis Racket. If you want a lightweight racket that makes it easier to swing faster and hit deeper, the Wilson Federer Adult Recreational Tennis Racket is a confidence builder. You get an airlight alloy frame that keeps weight down while adding durability, so you can accelerate through contact and recover quickly for the next shot. You'll feel easy power from Wilson's power strings, longer mainsprings that return more energy to the ball for added depth with less effort. Stop shock pads at the throat help reduce vibration, giving you a smoother, more controlled feel on contact. The result is approachable pop with the feedback you need to guide the ball where you want it. Maneuverability is a highlight. The lightweight build and slightly extended length increase reach on wide balls and serve returns, while giving you extra leverage for serves without demanding perfect mechanics. A 4 3/8" grip size suits many adult hands. Add an overgrip if you prefer a fuller handle or extra tack. Design matters too. The classic red, white, black cosmetic draws inspiration from Roger Federer's iconic Pro Staff line, adding a touch of tour style to your game. It arrives pre-strung so you can head straight to the court. If you're an improving player who wants a racket that's easy to swing, forgiving on mishits, and supportive of better depth and consistency, the Wilson Federer Adult Recreational Tennis Racket delivers power, comfort, and maneuverability in a ready-to-play package. Number 4. Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket. If you want an easy-to-use racket that helps you hit cleaner, deeper shots right away, the Wilson Tour Slam is a solid starter. You get V-Matrix technology to expand the sweet spot, so off-center contact still carries pace and height over the net. Perfect while you're dialing in timing. You'll feel effortless pop from power strings, which use longer mainsprings to return more energy into the ball. Stop shock pads help tame vibration for a smoother feel, giving you a bit more confidence on harder swings and mishits. The result is approachable power with enough control to keep rallies going as your technique improves. Practical touches make it court-ready. It arrives pre-strung, so you can play immediately, and the 4 1/4" grip suits many adult hands. Add an overgrip if you want a fuller handle or extra tack. The composite build aims to balance durability with a responsive feel, while the overall weight provides a stable hit that helps guide the ball deep without forcing your swing. If you're new to tennis, returning after a break, or just want a dependable recreational racket with extra power, a larger sweet spot, and reduced vibration, the Wilson Tour Slam gets you rallying confidently from day one. Still searching for the perfect tennis racket? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Head Graphene XT Speed MP Tennis Racket. If you want a racket that balances control, spin, and easy pace as you level up, the Head Graphene XT Speed MP is built for your game. You get a modern graphite frame reinforced with Head's graphene fiber technology designed to shift weight where it matters for a cleaner, more efficient swing. At about 11.2 ounces, it feels solid on contact yet stays maneuverable for fast exchanges and quick grip changes. You'll appreciate the 4-point headlight balance. It helps the racket come around smoothly on returns and passing shots while giving you the hand speed to roll topspin or knife a slice without feeling late. From the baseline, there's enough stability to drive through the court. At net, the lighter tip makes reaction volleys and touch finishes feel precise and repeatable. Control is the through line here. The frame's response helps you aim to corners and vary height and depth, while still offering accessible power when you step in and accelerate. Comfort and durability round it out. The all-graphite construction keeps feedback crisp but not harsh, and the overall build is made to last through frequent hitting and string cycles. The 4 1/4" grip size suits many adult hands. Add an overgrip if you prefer a fuller handle or extra tack. If you're ready for a quicker headlight frame that rewards clean mechanics with controllable power and reliable spin, the Head Graphene XT Speed MP helps you play on the front foot, point after point. Number 2. Head TS6 Tennis Racket. If you want easy power and a forgiving feel as you build consistency, the Head TS6 is a smart, confidence-boosting choice. You get an oversized 115 square inch head that expands the sweet spot, so off-center hits still travel with depth and pace, ideal when you're refining timing and contact. You'll appreciate the lightweight build. At about 8.9 ounces, the TS6 is easy to maneuver for quick reaction volleys and extended rallies. Yet the graphite titanium construction keeps the frame solid and durable. That blend delivers a crisp response with less fatigue, helping you practice longer and play more matches each week. Control remains approachable for new and returning players. The extra surface area gives you margin on serves and ground strokes, while the stable frame resists twisting to keep shots online. The 4 1/4 inch grip offers a comfortable hold for many adult hands. Add an overgrip if you prefer a fuller feel or want a fine-tuned tack. Head's performance heritage shows up in the details: modern materials, sturdy build quality, and a design that supports progress from beginner into intermediate levels. If you want a racket that's light, powerful, and forgiving enough to shorten your learning curve, the Head TS6 helps you rally with confidence and enjoy every session. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Wilson Hyperhammer 5.3 Adult Recreational Tennis Racket. If you want effortless power and forgiveness as you learn the game, the Wilson Hyperhammer 5.3 is a confidence-boosting choice. You get an oversized head that enlarges the sweet spot, so off-center hits still carry pace and depth. Wilson's hammer technology shifts more mass to the head for easy power, while the perimeter weighting system improves torsional stability to help the frame stay steady through contact. You'll appreciate how the head-heavy balance adds momentum without adding bulk. At just about 8.32 ounces, the racket feels light in your hand, yet drives the ball with authority. Great if your swing is short or compact. The open string pattern helps the ball bite the strings for extra power and spin, giving you a higher, safer net clearance and better control of depth as you develop your strokes. Comfort and convenience are built in. The composite graphite construction with a carbon fiber shaft keeps the frame responsive but manageable for beginners, and it arrives pre-strung so you can hit the court right away. The 4 1/8 inch handle suits smaller hands or players who prefer a slimmer grip. You can always add an overgrip to fine-tune feel. If you're starting tennis and want a lightweight, head-heavy racket that rewards clean contact and forgives the rest, the Wilson Hyperhammer 5.3 helps you serve bigger, rally longer, and build skills with fewer mishits. That's a wrap! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which tennis racket you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.